there, digital dreamers! Welcome to Magic Logix, your ultimate partner in turning online ambitions into reality. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of SEO success with 5 incredible free tools that'll skyrocket your business's internet presence. Let's dive in. First up, we've got Google Search Console, the Swiss Army knife of SEO tools. This bad boy gives you a behind-the-scenes look at how search engines see your site. Broken links, crawl errors, mobile issues, GSC's got your back, helping you fix problems before they impact your rankings. Next on our Magic Logix list is Google Analytics. Think of it as your website's personal detective. It tracks who's visiting, where they're coming from, and what they're doing on your site. With GA, you'll uncover the content your audience loves and the pages that need some TLC. Number 3, Google Keyword Planner. This gem is like having a direct line to your customers' brains. It reveals what people are searching for and how often. Use this intel to create content that speaks directly to your audience's needs and interests. Fourth, we've got a hidden treasure called Answer the Public. This tool is like a mind reader, showing you the exact questions people are asking about your industry. It's a goldmine for creating FAQ pages, blog posts, and videos that answer real user queries. Last but not least, for our WordPress warriors out there, Yoast SEO is your new best friend. This plugin makes optimizing your content a breeze, offering suggestions to improve your posts and pages for both search engines and human readers. And there you have it, folks. 5 fantastic free SEO tools that'll transform your online presence. At Magic Logix, we believe in empowering businesses to reach their full digital potential. That's why we're sharing these game-changing tools with you today. Remember, SEO isn't a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing journey. But with these tools in your arsenal, you're well-equipped for success. Keep experimenting, keep optimizing, and watch your online presence soar. Thanks for tuning in to Magic Logix. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow business owners. And hey, drop a comment below with your favorite SEO tool. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep dreaming big and optimizing smart.